They called him Rico. Big arms, soft eyes, steel nerves. You wouldn't look twice. Just another guy in a warehouse hoodie, punching in at 6 a.m. and out when the dock lights dim. But Rico had a secret. Not a lover, not a body in the trunk. Something more dangerous in the eyes of broke men, a plan. Now, don't get it twisted. Rico wasn't born smart. He made himself smart. Born in Mexico, raised in the US, worked in Canada, this man knew how to lift a 2-ton pallet without blinking, but not how to spell dividend. Not back in 2000, when he first hopped onto a yellow forklift and cracked his knuckles like a cowboy entering a duel. But let me tell you how it started. He was 24, making $15.50 an hour or moving crates for a distributor that didn't know his last name. One day on break, he asked an older driver, "What do you do with your money?" "Spend it," the guy said. "Same as you will." That pissed Rico off, so he did the math. After rent, food, and sending cash to Mama in Guadalajara, he had about $180 a month left. Most folks would blow it on fast food or video games. Rico. He bought a secondhand laptop. Slow as hell. Blue screen every Tuesday. But it got him on the internet. And the internet? That's where the fork met the road. He read everything. Stocks, index funds, ETFs. He didn't understand a thing. Until he did, night after night in his garage apartment, watching YouTube in a hoodie that smelled like motor oil. Some nights, he fell asleep on the keyboard. Some nights, he made by guessing the market right. But slowly, that $180 turned into $5,000. Then $20,000. But money wasn't the real flex. It was the discipline. No fancy car, no weekend benders, just reinvestments in books. Yeah, books. Can you imagine a forklift driver reading The Intelligent Investor on break while his boys are talking about girls and football? That was Rico. Eyes on the stack, mind in the stars. Then came 2008. Recession hit like a sucker punch. His coworkers panicked. Rico didn't. He bought. Crazy, they said. Patient, he thought. By 2010, he had 6 figures, all while still lifting pallets in the snow. But here's where it gets spicy. He didn't quit. Not yet. See, quitting means you're done learning. Rico, he enrolled in night classes. Lean Six Sigma, advanced logistics, AI in supply chain. He even learned coding. Said he wanted to talk to machines the way he talked to forklifts. And every new skill opened another door. He got promoted, then offered consulting gigs. He started investing in people, mentoring new hires, teaching them safety, focus, and freedom. And then, warehouse automation boom. Everyone's scared. Jobs on the line. Rico? He launches a YouTube channel, teaching rookies how to become pros. Over 1 million views in 12 months. He turns his story into a course. The course into a business. Now, he still drives forklift when he wants to. His portfolio's past 1 million, but he never acts rich. Still wears steel toes, still packs lunch. Why? Because he remembers. He remembers what it felt like when no one expected anything from him. And he remembers the first time he told himself, maybe I can do more. And guess what? So can you. But only if you stop scrolling, stop doubting, and start stacking skills. So what's stopping you? Click the link below. Join the newsletter. Learn the game. Get your money up while keeping your boots on. Rico did it. You're next.